quick clean, just random stuff I need to do around my house. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. If you do, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps me more than you know. I'm gonna turn you all around now and just show y'all what I gotta clean in here. Here I'm just showing y'all the before. It's really messy in here. You can see the dogs all in here, and I'm getting ready to get a new living room suit because this one is just so stained. I mean, it could be cleaned, but I'm just gonna go with I want to find a leather sectional.
Promised we would find the time, dreaming for eternity, creating perfect memories. Yeah, we hoped we were gonna make it. Little did I know that time would take us to a place where love could grow, but in a different way. Bigger than they'd say. Now looking at you keep me going back to those days, capable of keeping track of how many nights could pass. Cheap hotels and driving fast, and the radio playing our soundtrack. Broken love, tequila and bluegrass. Evenings just like movie scenes along the roads in Tennessee. Dreaming of what we could be from the back of your dad's red truck. No one thought I was gonna make it. No one believed I'd take the time for real.
Pumpkins at the Dollar Tree right here. And this is how it's looking right here. The pillow, I think I found it Ross. I think that was at Ross. This grateful sign is from last year, I think. I think it was from Dollar General last year. And these, I found these at Ross. Looks like books. Can't remember where I got the flowers. Pumpkins, Dollar Tree. Flowers, the leaves I don't remember. That's from the Dollar Tree. And then over here, I think I got that little sign from Dollar General last year. And then I got this pumpkin blanket this year. I got that at Ross. And that was a pillow from last year. I can't remember where I got it from. I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum up under this. Because there's so much dog hair, as you can see on the floor.
Maybe cynical, I wouldn't change a single thing. 'Cause you gave me you keep me going back to those days, incapable of keeping track of how many nights could pass. Cheap motels and driving fast, and the radio playing our soundtrack. Broken love, tequila and bluegrass. Evenings just like movie scenes along the roads in Tennessee.
you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you.
I'm cleaning my trash can right here. I'm not doing a deep clean on it. I'm just wiping it up a little bit because I got a little dirty.
I saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't.
I wanted to show y'all this. Y'all haven't tried it yet? It's the pumpkin one. And on the bread and creamer I made with it. And I just put a little bit of cinnamon in it. I'm telling you, it's so good. It's the 9-berry creamer with the almond and oat milk. Pumpkin spice latte. These two mixed together. With cinnamon and whipped cream. It's best. I think it's better than Starbucks or Dunkin'. Most people just twist it up like this. The best way to do it if you want it to stay soft, and you'll always like when the bread's on it, just twist it just like this. Take this. There you go.
Right here, but how will I ever know if you go? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I.
This little turkey right here, my daughter got it for me a couple years ago at Yankee Candle.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. I never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason. The reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch. just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your hand. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we can set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your hand. You're everything that I desire, I desire. Every time we touch, we can set the world on fire. Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could.
Well, we're at the end of the video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please hit that like and subscribe button. And if y'all have any questions or want to know anything about me, just ask me in my comment section below. I hope you all have a blessed day.